Hello friends, this video I am going to teach you how to do shading practices. First thing, I am doing the darker tone, just applying the maximum pressure, just making the darker tone. That is very easy. Okay, starting from the darker tone to the light tone. Vary the pressure which you are applying to the paper. Gradually blend into white portion. These type of practices you should do before starting your new work. See. Now we will start from lighter tone to darker tone. This will help you to understand the different tone levels. Making lighter tone is rather difficult than making darker tone. So you must practice well so that you can make more realistic images. Just applying the pressure, you can get the darker tone, or you can just roll the pencil over so that the sharper edge makes better sharp and darker tone. While making lighter tones, never rotate the pencil. Now I am going to make different tone levels. Okay, darker to the lighter, then lighter to the darker, and so on. By doing this type of practices, you will be able to understand different tone levels. You must do in different directions so that it will help you in making better portraits. See, in different direction also you can try. Okay, now I will teach you different tones. Okay, this is the darker tone. Apply maximum pressure to the paper so that you will get the darker tone. So consider this as black. Maximum darker tone with your pencil you can make. Considerably this is easier one, so no much skill is needed. The only direction of the stroke is important. The next is darker gray. Just reduce little bit pressure so you will get darker gray shade. I am fast forwarding these two shades because it is bit easier considering next two shades. Okay, next is medium gray. Medium gray and light gray is little difficult because you have to control your pressure which you are applying to the paper. So making medium gray and light gray need little skill, so you must practice very well to make these two shades. You must do multiple times of practice before starting a work. The much more you practice, that much you will get the real tones. You will get control over your pencil. Okay, next light gray. That will be the difficult part over here, and the fifth shade is white, so I am leaving that paper white. light gray. Apply very little pressure. You just want to touch the pencil to the paper. Should not apply any pressure. And over to blend the lines. You can blend with some paper towel or any tissue paper later stages, but in this stage you should never use those things. Blending with your hand will help you. Okay, now you can see the different 5 tones: black, dark gray, medium gray, light gray and white. In this, medium gray and light gray is difficult. If you like my channel, subscribe and press bell icon.